Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp in Gacha Online. First, understand that shrimp is a creative character design. To begin, navigate to the character customization menu directly from the game's main screen. You'll want to select a suitable base character model as your starting point for this fun creation. Now, let's dive into designing your shrimp's features. Carefully select body parts and accessories that evoke a shrimp-like appearance. Don't forget to adjust the color palette to vibrant pinks or oranges for that authentic look. You can also utilize the detailed clothing editor to add intricate shell-like textures and patterns. With your visual elements in place, it's time to personalize your shrimp. Consider incorporating specific accessories such as delicate antennae or a curved tail to enhance its unique look. Play around with different facial features and expressions to give your character a distinct personality. Once satisfied, remember to save your completed shrimp character design. Now that you've created your amazing shrimp character, share it with the vibrant Gacha Online community. There are endless other character design possibilities to explore, so let your creativity shine. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.